All right, guys. So, unfortunately for you guys, I did a thing the other day, and I'm not going to be able to show you results of what I previously have done. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So over here, I have my wheels that I double coated. I have the wheels that I put 2 layers of the McKees 37 graphene wheel coating on, and unfortunately, come on, get inside here. I got a good deal. Fortunately for me, unfortunately for you guys, I got a good deal on something new. Now I needed new tires, probably in the next 5,000 or 6,000 miles. So I had been looking for wheels and tires, and I just came across a guy that was selling his 2025 Model 3 Performance wheels. They're staggered, so they're even fatter in the back with brand new P0 tires on it. And he gave me a deal. If you upgrade these from factory, they're like, it's ridiculous. They're like almost $6,000, and he just gave me a deal I couldn't refuse. I was gonna have to buy the tires anyway, and pretty much I got them for less than what I would pay for the tires with the wheels. So let me show you what I got. Now, not only did I get the brand new 200-mile driven tires and wheels, I also got some spacers, and I couldn't say no to the deal, so I had to do it. I was getting tires anyway. Just works out. So you can see with the spacers, it takes up all the gap there, fills it in nicely. The backs are 275s. The fronts are 235s. So they just have a lot of meat. A lot of meat on that back tire. And, they look good. Plus, I still have my old set I got to keep with a little bit of meat on the tire, but I can use that as spares or sell them, whatever. I couldn't beat the deal, and unbelievable deal. So now I'm going to have to clean these and coat these. All right, guys, so I'm going to get started cleaning these wheels first right away. And the first thing I'm going to use is I've got some Poor Boys spray and rinse wheel cleaner. Now I buy this is the first one I bought, but after that I started buying it by the gallon. And what I learned is it works really good in that spray bottle right here, one of these pumps. So I just pour the gallons in there. It's a spray and rinse, no agitation needed. So I'm going to spray that on the wheel face, let it sit for a couple seconds. It's cold today, so no big deal. Then I'm going to rinse it off. From there, I'm going to go over it with McKees 37 Extreme Iron Remover. I'm going to spray that on because I don't know. They're got 200 miles on the wheels, he says, and I don't think they really cleaned them. So I'll put the iron remover, and then I'll hit it with the Tough Shine. Now I've got this made at 1-to-1. You could use it at 2-to-1, or 1 parts product, 2 parts water, or 1-to-1. I have it made at 1-to-1, and this is for the rubber for the tires. So I'll be using that, clean them up because they've got whatever dressing they've put on there, and the Tough Shine tire brush. These products you can get over at autoforge.net. Let's get started with the video. We're cleaning up the wheels to get them ready for some type of protection, most likely a coating. All right, so we're going to start off with the Poor Boys spray and rinse. It's real simple. Spray it on. Let it dwell for a little bit. You don't want to do this on hot wheels. Nice and cool. And then all you got to do is rinse them off. From there, we're going to go with the McKees 37 Extreme Iron Remover. Once again, spray liberally all over the wheels, faces, wherever you can get it. Let it sit a little bit and rinse it off. Then you're going to hit the tires with the Tough Shine, diluted 1-to-1. I'm using the Tough Shine brush. Scrub the tires. You may have to repeat this process until you get them to the level of cleanliness that you're looking for, and then you rinse. I have to do the other side. I'm not going to put you through the pain of watching that. So let me finish and I'll show you what's up after this. All right, I just got like a clean towel here. I'm going to wipe the wheels a little bit and see if there's still dirt on there. So let's see here. I don't really see anything. Let's try the tires. Nothing. That's up here. So in other words, let's try this little piece right here. Nothing on there. So the faces are good. Up here is dirty, but the faces are good, and that's all I really care about. Once again, clean as a whistle. All right, and the wheels are clean too. Very good. All right, guys, so we're done with cleaning the wheels. This is basically part one, the cleaning. And we started with the Poor Boys spray and rinse wheel cleaner. Sprayed it on, let it sit, no agitation, spray it off. It does a fantastic job. If you want to, if you got something really, really dirty that you need a little agitation, go ahead. But most of the time you keep using this and it's very good at what it does. Lazy man's product, you know. All right, then I went over it with the Extreme Iron Remover. That's the McKee's 37. Just sprayed it on, see if there's any iron on there. I know the wheels are dark, so you're not going to see it. You can see a little bit running on the driveway, but not too bad. So we made sure there's no iron deposits. And then we use the, you can see I get a gallon of this. It's one of my favorites. Tough Shine tire cleaner. I use it 1-to-1, 1 part product to 1 part water. Spray it on, put it in the sprayer. I spray it on. I agitate the tires with their Tough Shine brush, and you rinse it off. You do however many times you need to do to get them clean to what you want. All right, if you're trying to get browning out, keep doing it. If you're trying to look for white suds, keep going until you achieve the results you're looking for. It's a fantastically strong cleaner. Guys, if you're looking for any of these products, go over to autoforge.net. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna put some type of protection on there. I haven't decided what I want to do. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.